Welcome to our journey into the heart of Ikigai, a profound Japanese concept that's more than just a word. It's a way of living. Today, let us explore what Ikigai means and how you can get an access to transform your life. Ikigai, translating to a reason of being, is the convergence of four essential life elements: what you love, what you are good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. Let's delve into each of these. Passion is the heart of Ikigai. It's what brings color and excitement to your life, like painting, singing, or cloud computing, or a subject which you are deeply interested in. It's the fuel that ignites the fire within you. To uncover passion, start by creating a list of activities that make you feel alive and excited. Reflect on experiences that have brought you pure joy. Experiment with your new hobbies and revisit the old ones and see which of these make you lose track of your time. Mission is about identifying what the world needs and aligning your passions to address these needs. It's the feeling of being called to contribute to a greater cause. For mission, volunteer for causes you care about or join community groups. Pay attention to news or issues that stir your emotions. Journal about the problems in the world that you wish to solve and brainstorm how your skills and interests could contribute. Vocation. Vocation is your innate talent or a skill which you have learned and practiced over time. This is where you will feel effortlessly competent, be it in understanding complex theories or connecting with people. To discover your vocation, seek feedback from friends or colleagues about your strengths. Consider tasks you find easy that others don't. Experiment with various tasks and notice where you excel with little effort. As Naval Ravikant says, find those areas which look like play for you but work for others. Profession. Profession encompasses what you can be paid for. It ensures that what you do sustains you, not just financially but also in terms of resources and recognition. For profession, explore different career paths related to your passions and skills. Consider consulting a career coach or taking career assessments. Research market demand for your skills and think creatively about how you can monetize your abilities. The important part here is the last line, how you can monetize your ability. The sweet spot where all these things converges is your Ikigai. Once you find your Ikigai, keep working on it, keep refining it. It is not final and it is not casted in stone. So keep looking, re-looking at it and keep doing course correction if required. Of course, iteration is very, very important when you are working on your Ikigai. With that, we complete this video. If you like this video, please press the like button. If you have still not subscribed, please subscribe. And most importantly, do share this video with those people whom you think this video will be helpful for them. With that, we complete. Keep rocking.